So hey guys, there's a potential airdrop for Dialect users. All you need to do is to download this app on Play Store. Now you can see here they said on this announcement that they've got something incredible coming up next week. Just drop 5 more invites. Snapshot on Monday. So you want to do this as soon as possible. So this is my referral code. I'll be dropping it in comment section or in the description box. So what you do, go over to Dialect. This is the app. I've downloaded it already, so all you need to do, go over to Play Store and download it. So you can see here, this is the Dialect. I'm going to click on it. It's going to open up. Once it opens up, just make sure you register, follow up with the due process. Then what you need to do is to copy out that referral code and paste it. There's a place where you need to paste it. It will show the person that referred you, and it gives you positions you for the airdrop automatically. Then another thing you need to do, you need to refer as much as possible. Send it to at least 6 of your friends. Just send it to 6 of your friends so they can also register. Now you can follow them up on social media, Twitter, to know more about this project and what they're building. But some users got free NFTs, and these NFTs could be worth a whole lot of funds. So I'm just gonna wait for this to load up. So guys, we're back here. It says stay tuned, you're on the wait list. So it's currently showing us this profile Akahilz. So refer friends and you earn sticker packs while you wait. So you just want to be on the wait list. Now there's an icon where you need to click. I think this is it. Click on this top icon here. This is you can see the person that referred us, Bloomstar BMS. So what you need to do is to look for the place that says okay, we currently have 0 invites here. So this is where your invites will show to show you the number of people that have used your invite link. So I'm just going to go back, cancel this. I think there's a place where you need to click. Okay, so you click on there and you get access to referred by so. So this is where you paste it. So you paste the referral code here. So when you paste it, it's going to show you okay. This is where you need to paste the referral code. There will be an option here for you to paste it, and you can see the rankings of individuals that have currently on the leaderboard for top referrals. Now this promotion is a different one entirely. So just come over to this icon and let me cancel this. Click on these sticker packs. It takes you directly to this icon here where you can be able to impute the just paste the code directly. I'm just going to cancel. Now to get your own referral code, click on this icon here. It's going to show you your icons, your referral code, or you can also click on this QR code so your friends can also scan it and join up immediately. Now you want to do this as soon as possible, guys. Wish you guys luck, and hopefully I'm going to bring you guys more goodies. Now let's just go over to the Twitter. Let me show you guys something. So guys, this is the post here, guys. So you can see Dialect, it's currently trending here. So I'm just going to click on it, say Dialect. Now you can also check out the comment section to see what users are currently saying. The project, I'm currently following them here, and I think I'm following them already. So I'm just going to turn on notifications, so you get notified when they drop a reasonable update. But you can see what you get Dialect at 000. So I'm just going to react to this post. Okay, it's now live on Android. So guys, this is just it, guys. This is just it, guys. Hoping you guys stay safe, and hoping you win, guys. Peace out. It's your boy Keys. This is it. 5 invites left and more, guys. So hopefully you're going to bag some cool funds from these guys. And peace out, guys. One love. It's your boy Keys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and share to others too.